Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at rules of exponents. So if I have two bases that are the same, then I can add the exponents. Division is subtraction. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Exponent on the outside here means multiplication. I can distribute my exponent to both terms. So that's how I get this. Or if it's a fraction, it goes to both terms as well. If I have x to the negative exponent, it's 1 over it. A negative exponent in the bottom makes it a positive exponent in the top. And if I have a negative exponent and there's a fraction, then I can flip the fraction and then it becomes positive. Okay, so now here, and what I normally do is I normally bring the smallest exponent to wherever the larger exponent is. So in this case, it's x to the 2 minus 1 and y to the 5 minus 4. So I get x and I get y, okay? And then here, I'm going to distribute my fourth exponent to all of my terms here, and my sixth exponent to all my terms. So I get 2 to the 4th, f to the 4th, g to the 16th. So I'm multiplying my 4 times 4. And then it's f to the 6th and g to the 6th. And then rules of exponents tell me that I would add those two exponents together, and then I would add these two exponents together. So this gives me 2 to the 4th, f to the 4 plus 6, and g to the 16 plus 6. 2 to the 4th is 16. So this is 16, f to the 10th, and g to the 22nd. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I can distribute the 3 to all the terms, or I can simplify first. So I think I would probably simplify what's inside my parentheses first. So then that would give me my 4's reduced with 16. So that gives me 1 in the top, and that'll give me a 4 in the denominator. And then this is x to the 5 minus 1 in the numerator, and then y to the 4 minus 1 in the denominator, and everybody's cubed. So this gives me x to the 4th over 4y cubed, and everybody's cubed. So then I get x to the 4 times 3 in the numerator, and then 4 cubed, and then y to the 3 times 3 in the bottom. So this gives me x to the 12th over 64y to the 9th. And then, I don't know, I could make them positive exponents first. So that would be x cubed y to the 4th over 3. The x squared would come to the top, and my y squared would come to the bottom. So then in the numerator, I would add my exponents, and then I would subtract my 4 minus 2 in the top because I have my fraction here, and then this is over 3. So this is x to the 5th y squared over, not over 5, over 3. Okay? A composite number is a number that can be split up into 2 or more factors. Prime factorization is that little tree thing that we do. So if I want to find prime factorization, it's 2 and 24, 2 and 12, 2 and 6, and 2 and 3. So 48 is equal to 2 to the 4th times 3, which we've done prime factorization already once before. Okay? And then that is it for this lesson.